Hey everyone, Dr. Tony here. I have Miss Tracy with us today. She just started our knee program. So I wanted to just have Miss Tracy explain like a little bit about what's been going on here and basically what happened with her knee before she came in. So I'll let you go ahead and take it from here. What was going on with your knee before you came in?
So it was grinding whenever I would bend down and then come up from a squatting position. And I was starting just right before I came to you for the program. It just started catching and clicking in my right knee. And some of that's because of years and years and years since 14 years old of wearing heels. But so I was getting to the point where I wasn't wanting to exercise where I had to use my knees, like getting on like the Stairmaster or anything like that. I always made sure at work I was using the elevator instead of the stairs, which is less healthy. So I'm here.
Yeah, and so we've been doing this for a little over a week now. So what have you noticed since you started?
I noticed that the grinding in my knee was a lot less, and it wasn't catching it like right after the very first adjustment you did, which was only one. This is my second one.
Second one.
It wasn't catching anymore.
Good.
So it actually had, it was like smooth flow in the way that my knee operated afterwards.
So did it feel like it was grinding then?
No.
No? It felt a lot smoother?
Felt smoother.
Good. Well, if we keep this up, what do you think is going to happen?
I'm going to be back on the Stairmaster.
All right, that's our goal. All right, so we'll check back in a few weeks. All right.